Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Georgian here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome. Please subscribe so you can join the family. Yes, so if you want to see how I transform, then please keep on watching.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I've got to be joking when I say.
Yeah guys, so first thing is first. As you can see, my hair growing. This is not the basis of the video, but still, like, I had to point it out, like something yeah. And as you can see, like, I had to change my hairstyle. Like, this is another hairstyle that I'm doing because my go-to hairstyle can no longer be my go-to because it's can't come so again, like, not at all. So I'm just trying out this new hairstyle, and if you like a tutorial on it, please let me know. I'll be happy to do a tutorial for you guys. It's very simple, quick and easy as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below and let's get started. I'm gonna start with my Age Rewind concealer in Sand Sable. I'm just gonna base my lids with that. Please let me know what you guys think of the new setup. You know, whether you prefer this very comfy, you know, type of setup or a more studio-like setup. Let me know your preference. So first I'll be starting with my James Charles palette. Yes, finally got it. It's brand new. Alright, so the theme that I'm going for is yellow and pink. I've always wanted to do a yellow and pink makeup look. Like, I'm not sure why, but I just like those two colors together. I'm gonna start with the pink right here. So I'm just gonna pat that on, build it up, and then I'll blend the edges out. I think this is really pretty and pigmented. So I'm gonna start blending upwards just to soften out the edges. And I'm gonna go as close as we can to the brow bone. First time using this palette, and I'm in love, and I'm not getting any ounce of fallout at all. Like, it's pretty good so far. Oh, and how can I forget to tell you guys, if you would like a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, I have one. I will have one linked below in the description box for you, of course. So please feel free to check it out if you want to know how I snatch my brows. I've been doing it the same way as I did the video, so there's nothing that has changed. Now I'm gonna just add the yellow to the lid. Let's see how the yellow comes out. I'm not gonna do any cut crease, just gonna add it just like that. So I'll just be patting that on. Very pigmented, guys. I'm loving this. See, it almost looked like I did a cut crease. Now I'm gonna do something that I have not done in a while. I'm gonna add a wing liner to this look, and I'll be going in with this BH Cosmetics liquid liner. So I think I want to spice it up a bit and add some lashes. I've decided to add lashes. So these are the lashes I've decided to use. They're from here Invasion here in Cayman. Thank you, girl, for these lashes. And like I always say, big up. These have to be the most dramatic lashes I've ever worn ever, because remember, I don't wear lashes. I mostly put lashes on for my YouTube videos, you know, just to give the look a little oomph, but I'm really liking them. In terms of the comfort, not 100% comfortable. I feel very off, but on camera and everything, they look very good as far as I am seeing. Let me know what you guys think about these dramatic lashes. Stop before them drop off. Anyhow, let's jump into the skin. So first we're just gonna moisturize today. We're not gonna prime. Why is it I don't prime, guys? I mostly prime when I'm going out. Yeah, I'm gonna be using my Pond's to moisturize today. Oh my god, these lashes. All right, I'm moisturized. Now for some foundation, my favorite foundation, Fenty Beauty 350 in the shade 350. Just gonna add one pump first and then blend that one pump. So I'm just using my beauty blender for this. No, I just really love this foundation. It's just perfect and it feels like nothing is on my face. It's like whenever I use this, I just feel very confident, like I know my makeup going to turn out good. And I got the Fenty concealer, which is just as great, the best concealer I've ever used. So my NC 43 was for my MAC concealer, 42. My NC, I even forget the shade, like I'm not that shit way, but with the Pampas right now because I have a new favorite, which is the Fenty concealer. Love how my skin is looking glowy. All right, so now for the concealer, 310 is the shade for the Fenty concealer that I'm currently using. It's just so smooth, like I don't know what else to say. It's really smooth. And a tip that I've learned like over the past few weeks, that you can allow your concealer to dry down a little bit in order for you to get a more full coverage out of it. So yeah, I mean, you don't have to, but it's a technique that you can try, of course. Surprisingly, I really love these lashes. I look like a whole different person. Alright, let's start blending that out. And I try to look up so I can get beneath the eye, like every crease. Look at that. Look at that. Baby bottom. So smooth. It doesn't even look like it wants to be set, like no words. Alright, now we're going to set, even though it doesn't look like we need to, but we're gonna set. Gonna use the Fenty powder. That one is in the shade Banana. I'm gonna take a smidge, we don't want too much. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let me give you guys a close-up. So nice. And now I'm going to balance out the rest of my skin. As you guys already know, like the real OGs, you know that's what's next. Well, yeah, I'm gonna use my small kabuki brush from MAC just to balance out everything. It's my MAC Mineralized. It's my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I'm gonna use that same powder to contour my nose. Alright, now I'm gonna contour my cheeks, and I'm gonna use this is a very old palette, my LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. Pretty old, but I love it. And of course I'm going to be using this shade here that is almost finished. I'm not sure what I'm going to get out of it, but something I will come out of it. So I think that's it for contouring. I didn't want anything too drastic. I don't really like my contour being too harsh anyhow. I'm gonna use some blush, and this is, I don't even know if this blush is still around. It's pretty old, but I really like it because it's not too much. It just gives you the right amount that you need. This is the Jordana blush in number 12, Redwood. This is how it looks. See, it's just subtle and nice. What I also like to do is just like go over lightly with my powder brush. The same brush that I would use to set the rest of my face, I would just go over that blush area. I don't know, I just think it would just make it melt into the skin more, so it doesn't appear as though it is just sitting on top of my skin. I used my kabuki brush before, but this is also a powder brush of mine, so I'm just gonna use it to fan over where I applied my blush. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the same two colors that I just used on my eyes from the James Charles palette. I'm gonna put the yellow here, and I guess I'll just blow out the rest with the pink. Okay, so I added some regular black liner to my waterline. I'm gonna go in with my Crown Pro mascara that I got in my PR package. If you have not checked out that video, please do so. I uploaded it just before this one, my first PR package, guys. Please check it out, like, share, comment, let me know your thoughts. So this is the mascara. Gonna use my Masterfix by Maybelline. Almost finished. I'm gonna use my Masterchrome highlighter in 150. That's the rose gold one. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Cherry Tree lip liner. So I'm going to use this to line my lips, and I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray lip gloss. It's called Rosey Raye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments below on what you think about this look. I really love it. Really loving the lashes, and I'm really pleased on how everything turned out. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that you are notified every time I do a new upload. We would not want you to miss out, and I would love for you new subscribers to just, you know, stay here, become a part of the family, and hopefully, you know, we'll grow and get better as the time goes by. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take good care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.